COVID-19 fatality in patients aged below 50 is higher than those aged above 65, a single-center retrospective study by AIIMS Delhi has revealed. The study, authored by AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria, covered 247 patients deceased between April 4th and July 24th, 2020. Of these, 42.1% were aged 18 to 50, 34.8% aged 51 to 65, and 23.1% aged above 65 years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated all the people involved in India's COVID-19 efforts, stating that the country's vaccination drive keeps gaining momentum. This comes as India has overtaken the United States in the total number of COVID-19 vaccine doses given till date, according to the Union Health Ministry. The Prime Minister asserted vaccines for all, free for all, remains the government's commitment. Families and experts have said that India has undercounted COVID-19 deaths by hundreds of thousands, the Wall Street Journal reported. A University of Washington's institute suggested that the deaths exceeded 1.1 million, 3 times the official reported number of over 3.9 lakh, the report said. The undercounting leaves a huge gap in understanding Delta variant's impact, the report added. Serum Institute of India manufactured Covishield has been excluded from the list of COVID-19 vaccines eligible to avail European Union Green Pass. Addressing Indians who have taken Covishield and are facing issues with travel, Serum Institute's CEO Adar Poonawalla tweeted, "I've taken this up at the highest levels and hope to resolve it soon, both with regulators and at diplomatic level with countries," he said. India today successfully test-fired a new version of the nuclear-capable Agni ballistic missile known as Agni Prime off the coast of Odisha, DRDO said. The missile has a range of 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers and is 50% lighter than Agni 3. The missile has followed textbook trajectory, meeting all mission objectives with a high level of accuracy, DRDO added. Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju took to Twitter to react after pictures showing VVIP cars, including that of NCP chief Sharad Pawar, parked on the sports track of Pune's Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex surfaced online. "I am personally very sad to see such disrespect for sports and sporting ethics in our country," Rijiju wrote. A 27-year-old groom in Odisha walked out of his own wedding after the bride's family failed to serve mutton curry for lunch. The groom's family, who had demanded mutton curry in the wedding menu, got into a fight with the bride's side over its non-availability. He later left the wedding and got married to another woman before returning home.